Now you are set to move to the Simulate section. Place the engine on the canvas. AOS can connect from the AssemblyObject constructor. A base point is needed again. Add that to the scene and to Grasshopper with a param. The heuristic set cannot be connected directly from the writer. It needs to pass through a heuristic settings component first, though no other settings will be changed at this point. Go is an auto-run option where a step is for manual drive. Place a toggle, set to false for go, and a button for S. I is the number of pieces added each step, and T. N is a limit on the total number of pieces. The default values are 10 and 1000, but to start off, set them to 1 and 100. The last input, R, resets everything. This can also connect to a button. Before turning the engine on, place a display assemblage component from the post-processing toolbar onto the canvas. Instead of Objects Display, right-click on the name and choose Sequence from the list. Connect the A, O, A to one another. Let's also add a panel for the C output of the engine. Now double-click the Go toggle to turn it true. The simulation should start running and pieces added until they hit the total number limit, or until the engine runs out of valid options for places to locate a new piece. When the engine stops adding to the assemblage, turn the Go toggle back to false so that the engine can stop trying to run. In this example, the options run out quickly because the depth of the notch means that many pieces cover up the adjacent notches. This could already be anticipated from the heuristic display. Adjusting the depth or placement of the notches can help this run for longer.